Hello everyone, today we're doing an outdoor unboxing of Mike and Ike cherry flavored. Yes, we are outdoors. We are at Dundas and Ossington in Toronto. Look at those buses go by. Why not do an unboxing, a candy tasting outside? Yes, this whole thing cost me 75 cents. It's as red as that streetcar. Wow. It's really exciting. So this box contains 80 calories worth of Cherry Mike and Ike, but who cares about calories? We're eating candy, we're having fun. And so that's what it looks like in the box when it's open, okay? And here's what they look like in my hand. And they look like your typical Mike and Ike candy, the cherry flavor that you get in the bigger boxes. And they taste just so scrumdiddlyumptious. I love cherry candies. I love Mike and Ike. Mike and Ike used to have something called Cherry and Bub, where it was like bubblegum flavored and cherry flavored in the box, but they don't have that anymore, so I guess I'll just have cherry. This tasted really good. You should try it, and thank you for watching. Yay, fun times. I'll see you later. Bye.